How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today we have some warnings about XRP. We're at a very key price level as well. This is actually bullish. We have a very important bullish price that we are getting very close to that would signify a breakout. Actually, on a TA perspective, we could see new highs for the year very soon, according to Tyler Hill, which we'll have him on the channel in a little bit. We also have some really cool data coming out that a lot of people are starting to tune into XRP. If you don't mind, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification underneath the video so you can see future videos just like this. Also, if you want to trade XRP, if you want to trade other cryptos, there's a link underneath the video to CoinW. You can sign up in just a few minutes. They don't have KYC right now, and you can also get a ton of bonuses for using my link. You can get up to $30,500 in tiered rewards. So definitely check this out underneath the video. I've been trading a good amount and it's gone well so far. But of course, always do your due diligence. Make sure you understand the risks. Now, I will apologize if you hear some grunting. I do have the Bitcoin baby with me today at work here today. But we'll make it through. XRP looking pretty solid today. Bitcoin over $101,000. Keep in mind, there's some love being shown to altcoins right now. Ethereum ETFs have seen inflows for 13 straight trading days. The total inflows over that 13 days is about $2 billion. Really bullish, actually. We also have just like a massive amount coming from Grayscale, from Fidelity, and BlackRock. So it's not just one entity that's buying. It's a handful that are swallowing up Ethereum and Bitcoin in mass. We also have new Twitter followers to Ripple on X overlaid with the price of XRP. And as you can see, like it seems like they're very correlated. Who knows which one causes which? Probably the price going up causes them more people to actually subscribe on X. But as you can see, like it's still not at the same levels it was back in 2021, yet the price is at new all-time highs. So this is all very bullish for people that like Ripple, like XRP. Now let's get over to Tyler. We'll look at the charts and see this very key level for XRP to break out of. And it's very close. It's just a couple percent away from where we are right now.
I appreciate the intro there, Sam, but look, let's get straight into what XRP is seeing right now, because man, oh man, is it important. Now, what I've been tracking over the last few weeks for XRP has been this pullback that it's in right now. I've told my viewers and your viewers very consistently that, hey, listen, if XRP's price can successfully break out of this structure, if it can successfully backtest, flip this resistance from back here into a support zone and start using this to head upwards, I think we can see XRP's price push up towards $3.33, $3.50, maybe even closer towards $4. Now, the reason I believe this is quite simply just based off what we're seeing on the Fibonacci's. If we do go ahead and draw in the Fibonacci's from that previous high that we put in back here, right around $2 in 2021, and we draw that all the way down to that bear market low, what you'll come to recognize is XRP has made all of the important steps. It broke the golden zone. It broke the macro high. And once you do those things, as long as your price can sustain itself up here, you're opening up the door to push to a 1.272 Fibonacci extension at $3.33. You're in a spot to push maybe even further to a 1.618 Fib extension at $6.40. And so all that really needs to happen at this given point is that XRP's price needs to give itself a chance. And what that looks like is it maintaining support on top of these previous points of resistance, flipping this resistance zone that we're on top of right now into support, and using that to break upwards. Now, the beautiful thing is that we are creating that descending channel, right? What you can see here is that as this pullback has been happening, in order to attempt to flip that the resistance into support, we are creating a very bullish structure. The bullish structure that XRP is creating is a descending parallel channel, which in my opinion is the easiest structure, the easiest anything really in crypto to make money from. And the reason being, guys, is because in a bull market, these things have 85% chances at breaking to the upside. They're very predictable. And so what I like to do is I like to buy in the bottom 25% of that structure and just wait. Every time we hit the green zone, I'll just buy a little and wait, buy a little and wait. Like I said in the last time I featured here, just buy a little bit in the bottom of that zone and wait, and look what's happened. Anytime you were doing that, whether it was the last week or whether it was this week, you're now in profit on it. And the coolest part is the profit may only be just getting started. Now, the reason that I say that is because, as I mentioned before, XRP is creating a very bullish channel, which has a good chance to break to the upside. And as you can see here, XRP's price at this exact moment is attempting to make this move. Now, will this be successful? Obviously, no one can really tell. It is in a spot in which it did try to break out of it in the last 4-hour candle, and we did get rejected. So there is a chance that it still gets rejected here. So I'm not going to go super duper deep into what happens if we do break out. We'll save that for another video. But what I do want your viewers to do, Sam, is I want them to watch the top side of this channel very closely. If you want a linear level, just say $2.50. If we can see XRP break above $2.50, we're going to take the first major step to start now seeing XRP recover from this pullback that it's been seeing and really start trying to push to $3 plus. It is my genuine belief that if we can take all of the correct steps, that we will see XRP's price push up towards $3.83, maybe even in the short term, quite frankly. I mean, seeing this bad boy push 53, 60% isn't all that unreasonable, and this could be the first major step. And so that's what I want your viewers to do, if anything, is to watch this like a hawk. $2.50 is truly going to determine whether or not XRP really can start making those moves to the upside or not. And as we, of course, do start to see this play out, whether it does or doesn't break out here, Sam and I will, of course, update you all on kind of what's going on, how it's positioning itself, how it's moving, what some setups, some trades, structures, and much more are. But until then, until you get that update, just watch this like a hawk, because man, oh man, is it going to be important what happens at $2.50.
So big shout out to Tyler again. Tyler, thanks. There's a link to him underneath the video in case you want to check out his channel. Van Eck just came out with the top 10 crypto predictions for 2025. This includes Bitcoin being valued around 180,000 and a Bitcoin strategic reserve. So this would definitely help the price of XRP. It would help the price of every crypto asset, in my opinion. And they say with new SEC leadership, multiple new spot crypto ETPs will be approved. ETPs for Ethereum will include staking, while both Ethereum and Bitcoin ETPs will allow in-kind transactions and redemptions. This would be bullish for the whole cryptocurrency market. They also think stablecoins are poised to revolutionize payments, with daily settlement volumes projected to reach 300 billion by the end of 2025. Keep in mind, XRP just unveiled that they're going to go live with their RLUSD very soon, and actually we've already seen a couple transactions for it. It was approved by New York, I think it was earlier this week or last week. So yeah, they are definitely coming, and they're trying to swallow up part of this market. They say that they're expecting the settlement volumes to reach 300 billion, which is triple what it is right now. So very, very bullish for XRP, for Ripple, for stablecoins, for crypto. But just as always, like whenever prices go up, you have to be careful. We have more and more Ripple giveaways that are trying to scam you, Brad Garlinghouse giveaways, stuff like that. Be careful of all this. It's not real. On Twitter, on YouTube, be careful of all this, because they are trying to get your crypto, and they're willing to spend more because your crypto is worth more. So be careful of all this. Ripple just said recently, they came out with a warning themselves. Like, be careful. We will not go live with our LUSD without telling you first about it on their official accounts. So yeah, just be careful out there. Be ready for anything. Let me know your thoughts on this underneath the video. We are so close to the breakout zone for XRP. It could be quite exciting here soon. Again, thank you so much to Tyler. You can check out his channel underneath. If you want to trade crypto, there's a link to CoinW underneath the video, and they have those big giveaways. Depending on how much you do or what you do, you can get up to $30,000. Thank you so much. I'll see you all in the next one.